There's only one number where cosx equals x, but what is it called? Consider the equation. X equals cosine of x. Pick any number. Now press cosine, and then press it again. Keep going. At first, nothing seems special. The numbers jump, they shift, they change direction. But then something subtle begins to happen. The changes slow down. Each new value is closer than the last, as if the process is being pulled toward something. A hidden destination. Watch carefully. With every step, the gap shrinks. Input and output begin to agree, until eventually, they become almost the same. This is not a coincidence. It is a solution to a simple equation. X equals cosine of x, a point that remains unchanged, even after applying the function. A fixed point. And no matter where we start, this process always leads here, to this number, 0.739085. The Dottie number, a quiet constant hidden inside a familiar button. Not every function behaves the same. Some meet the line at 0, some settle at a completely new value, and some give simple, predictable answers. But not all functions are this simple, because one of them leads to something special, a number known as the Dottie number.